Greetings. Welcome to Social Media and Motivation with Dr. Finch. Today's topic is 5 ways to stay motivated when life gets loud. Oh my goodness. So, when life starts yelling, kids, job, classes, news, you need something stronger than caffeine. You need internal motivation that cuts through the noise. So let's talk about how we're going to get that internal motivation. So, your first point, micro wins matter. Let's stop looking for the huge wins and celebrate those small wins. Break big goals down into bite sized peeps and check off everything. Motivation feeds on momentum. So if you stay moving, you'll stay motivated. Number two, connect with your why. When you feel lost, remember why you got started in the first place. Write it down, post it, share it, speak it. It's okay to share it with yourself on a continuous basis. Let your why shine. Number three, power up with people. Accountability partners are not just for fitness. Get someone who reminds you that you're not alone and that the noise is loud, but it's loud for other people as well. And y'all work together to get through the noise. You don't have to do it alone. Number four, take a mind reset. 30 seconds of deep breathing, a walk, your favorite music to get you hyped. Remember, reset before you regret. Reset before you regret. A reset before you regret. And then number five, affirm it out loud. I got this. I can do it. I'm here for it. I'm built for this. All of those things let you know that you're going to make it, even when the noise is loud, even when life is loud, even when distractions are loud. You can do it. You got this. You've been through harder. This is just a test. All the things. Affirm it and affirm it loud. So remember, the 5 steps are micro wins matter, reconnect with your why, power up with people, take a mind reset, and affirm it loud. Motivation doesn't show up, we create it. And sometimes the loudest power is the quietest decision to try again tomorrow. So remember, that internal voice will speak and it will help you get to the end goal because you know why you started in the first place.